Alright, why we use Photoshop? Most of the time for beginners, we need to resize an image and save it. So how we do it? Just click on the little icon here. To resize an image in Photoshop, let's go to image and click on image size. And I can move around here on this, and this is the percentage. You can tell Photoshop I want to be 50% smaller, and this is going to be 50% smaller. I want this 30% smaller, or I need to be specific in pixel, inches, centimeter, millimeter, points, picos, and columns. What about pixels? I'm looking for something like, I don't know, 1920, which is basically like a video format. And by default, you have to make sure this is checked. It means every time I change this width number, for example 2000, the height is going to be changing automatically. So 1920, and this is going to be the default. And just take a look at the image size. It's 7 megabyte right now. So when you change this, you can see the dimension here as well. So this is can be inches, can be centimeter, millimeter, and anything that your client and you want. Just press OK, and you see the document is getting smaller, and this is the size that you are looking for and you want. Now to save this, go to File, Save As. Now you can save it as a small size as a PSD file, or you can come here to save as type, look for JPEG, or look for PNG. Why PNG and JPEG? Because most of the time we use this format for social media, YouTube, and cover image, and a lot of stuff. What if I want to print something? If you want to print it, put it on TIFF, TIFF, which is the best format for print. Or you can put it on PSD file, because sometimes if you save it as PSD file and send it to print shop, they don't have the font that you used in this PSD, and the font is just going to be changed and everything is just going to be screwed. That's why we put it on TIFF, so it's not changeable actually when you print it. Or you put it on PDF, it's possible, or EPS for print. But most of the time we use it and we put it on JPEG and or PNG file, and that's going to be it. The smaller size JPEG, and click save. Well, it's just going to be open. The quality we have maximum, medium, high, and low. So put it on maximum. You can just drag down and you can see the image preview is just going to be 760k. On the right, it's 3 meg. So sometimes there's a lot of websites that they don't allow you to put an image size above 1 meg. So I have to bring it down below 1 meg. Now I can click OK. But for now, I'm just going to put it on 3 meg and press OK. So now you guys know how to resize and how to save a file, which is the most important thing in Photoshop. You wanted to save this for print, but what about the quality? The quality is going to be like this. If I go back to image and image size, the resolution here is 7.2, which is basically for print should be 300. It means 300 the resolution. So make sure your image is always on 300 for print. Then you can press OK. So when you change the resolution and you put it on 300, you can go to File, Save As, and save it again. If it's for print, put it on TIFF, and it's going to be fine. And send it to the print shop. And anything is fine, just press OK. And OK.